In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to assign district and region managers to your districts and regions. And there's a couple ways that you can create these assignments. The first way is to import a sales personnel roster into your AlignMix file. So let's take a look at what that Excel file looks like before we import it. Here on the screen, you should now see the sales personnel roster where we've got the name of the sales reps and managers, their job titles, and if you scroll down, you will see that we also have district managers and region managers, their home zip codes, and also their current assignments. So this will automatically create the role of the managers, place little people icons in their home zip code, and create their assignments for their district regions, and also assign sales reps to territories. So now let's go back to the AlignMix file, and now we start the import. Click on File, Import, import your data, and select a file for import and click on Open. AlignMix will default to showing you the first worksheet in that workbook. So if that's not the worksheet you plan to import, you need to click on the back button and then select the tab that you plan on importing and click Next. Now we need to drag and drop the columns of data here on the left to the corresponding section on the right. Since we're working with sales personnel, our information is being dragged into this section here. Job title goes down to job title, home zip code to home zip code, and assignment goes to assigned territory, district, or region. Click the Next button, and now you'll see a different summary here appear on the screen. The software is trying to predict the placement of your job roles that were in that AlignMix file. And in this case, it's done a great job. You can see district managers fall in the district manager slot and region managers under region managers. If there was a mistake here, you could drag and drop the cell to the correct area. So now let's click on Next, Next again, and Finish. So now if we open up a district table, like so, you will see that we have district managers, and if we click here on region table, you'll also see we have region managers. So that covers the first way of creating your district and region assignments. And the second way to create these assignments is in Edit Personnel, where we will be able to assign the job role of manager to sales reps. And the reason for that is if we double click here on Region Manager, you'll see we only have 3 names. It's not showing all 100 sales personnel that we've imported because it's only showing us the people that have the role of region manager assigned. So if we wanted to have more region managers, we have to promote some sales reps to that position. So you click here on the Home menu and click on Edit Personnel. And now let's select a name here from the left. We'll select Ben Grimsley, and you'll see the job roles are shown here. So if we wanted to make this sales rep a region manager, you deselect him from sales rep and select region manager, and then you could assign him to a region like this. But for now, let's not assign him to a region. We'll just leave him assigned to a region manager role and click OK. Now, in the region table view, if I double click here on the cell, you'll see the 4 names appear. So that is the second way that you can create these job roles. You can do that in Edit Personnel and assign the district or region manager position. The third way to create these region and district managers is from the region or district map. So let's open up a new tab, go to Maps, and click on District Map. So now we can right-click on a district and go to Properties, and here you will see a drop-down menu showing the current district manager, and here in the drop-down list you will see the names of every person that has the role of district manager assigned to them. And again, you would have that list appear based on the import or by manually creating that assignment in Edit Personnel. But you can also create a new manager from this view by clicking on the green plus button here, and you can type in the name of that manager and then also their home zip code, and make sure to have the role of district manager or region manager assigned in this view here. Click Add, and you'll see Joey now appears here as the district manager, and click on OK. And now in District Table, you will see that Joey is assigned as a district manager for the Florida district. So let's do that again at the district level. So let's open up a new tab, click the plus button here, and open up a region map. And now let's do the same thing here for the East Coast. So I'm going to right click on this East region and click on Properties. And you can see here in the drop-down menu, we've got the 4 names. So those are the 4 people in this AlignMix file that have the role of region manager assigned to them. So if you want to assign one of these, you simply click them and then OK. But I want to create a new region manager. And I would do that by clicking here on the plus button, type in the name of that region manager, and then type in their home zip code, like so, and make sure to have region manager checked for this person. You click on Add, and then click on OK. And just like that, you've created that region manager. And if you zoom into that zip code, you will see that person appear as an icon, and that color will match the region they are assigned to. And the same process will work at the district level and the territory level. And there you go. You've just learned how to create district and region managers in AlignMix.